Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay, so I thought I'd do a quick video. I've already opened the box to make sure it was not packed with styrofoam peanuts, so we're safe to proceed. Anyway, a couple of points. I've been getting some email asking me about why all the Lionel stuff all of a sudden. The only thing I can say is that I've been looking on eBay for the cheapest stuff I can find, and for some reason, Lionel has been a lot cheaper than Marks for the last month or so. I've gotten all kinds of Lionel stuff this month, including this. This is a complete set. Now, when I went looking on eBay, I was looking for a brown caboose for that yellow General. Anyway, looking for a caboose, I found this entire set for $10. This is a Lionel 8040 with its original consist. And this is fairly early stuff. This is all steel trucks. Anyway, let's get this unpacked and see what we have here. Anyway, as far as collecting Lionel, I'm still a Marks collector. It's just the Lionel, I'm buying the cheapest stuff I can find. And it's, for right now, Lionel. Anyway, here's a gondola. Another gondola. Like I said, this is early Lionel stuff. This is all steel trucks, all of it. Now, when I found this set, it was just absolutely beat to death. Wow. There is a hopper, also with steel trucks. This one has a broken coupler. Packed in here, that's for sure. Alright, anyway, $9 for this entire set. There is the caboose, which was the point of this entire purchase. A brown caboose. That's exactly what I needed for that yellow General. You can see these things are just covered in rust. This stuff has been sitting for decades, literally decades. If I remember right, it has a Marks tenderwood. And it does. Alright, so anyway, put that out of the way. Get this out of the way. Alright, now this locomotive is beat to death. But like I said, I went looking for a caboose and found this entire set from what I thought I was going to spend on a caboose. Anyway, so a Lionel 8040. It's got a broken window pane right there at the rear of the cab. It is really, really tight. Wow. I mean, this thing is really tight. My phone is ringing. Hold on a second. First time. Alright, so in any case, it is complete. It is just so tight that it's definitely not going to run, no doubt. No doubt about that. Anyway, so can use this for parts. But like I said, I was after this caboose. This is what I specifically went on eBay to find. A brown caboose. And I found this entire set, of course, for $10. So obviously I could not pass it up. And like I said, this is early Lionel. All steel trucks, all steel couplers, except for that one. And as you see, all steel on both of the cabooses. This one has a broken corner. But like I said, I bought it, the entire set, just to get this caboose. So $10 for the entire thing. Actually $9.59 if I remember right. Something like that. Anyway, just want to do a quick unboxing video of this thing. So as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. You can see this thing is just absolutely trashed. So I'll have to pull it apart. I'll probably wind up using it for parts, but you never know. I might be able to get it running. And then all the Lionel cars. That caboose with the broken corner. And the caboose that I went looking for. A brown caboose. It's going to be perfect for that yellow General. So anyway, I'll get this cleaned up, get it lubed up. It's just covered in rust, as you can no doubt tell. So really, really poor storage for a very, very long time. Same way on all of the other cars. But well, at least you can see they're steel because they're rusted. Anyway, this will go in the Marks box, and I'll see if I can get this running. You never know until you try. So $9.59, call it $10 on eBay. And like I said, I was looking strictly for a brown caboose, and there it is. And I was expecting to pay about $10, $8, $10 for a caboose. I got the entire set for $10. That's really difficult to beat. That's all you can say about it. Anyway, so I can take the broken caboose and pull one of the trucks off and put it on the car with the broken coupler, which is right there. And I'll have a virtual complete Lionel set, early Lionel set, all steel trucks. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick unpacking or unboxing video. So this 8040 beat to death, but I'll pull it apart and see if we can't get it running. The only way to tell, of course, is to free it up and then put it on the rail and see what happens. So I'll do a follow-up video whether it runs or not. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video unboxing the new Lionel 8040 and its consist, including that brown caboose. Like I said, this is what I was looking for. So just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.